All right. Ooh, what are we having here? Why you are to lose? Here? No. Okay, so there is a stud here. Oh, it's missing nut. What happened? Huh. It's just missing? Is there gonna be another one here? Yeah, there's another one there. So it's just missing 10mm nut. I don't know what happened, but I don't hear any. Yep. I don't hear any rattle noise, but definitely missing nut right there. Just gonna go ahead and look for one and tie this one as well. All right, I found one. And I need an extension to tie this. Maybe not. Maybe not. There we go. I don't recommend electric tools here, guys. Just a hand. There we go. Now it's tight. And let's go ahead and tighten the other one. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, put this back, and this one as well. Okay, just check the other side. That one is in there. Make sure this one is tight. Oh my goodness. This one is loose too. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, I think the nut is here somewhere, gets stuck. As long as it's not making any noise, I think we're good. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.